can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Hey y'all, and welcome back. So since I have a wall in need of some dressing up, today's video is a room decor DIY project that I'll be showing you how to make your own supersized dream catcher for your own wall. The first thing you'll need is a large hoop, and we'll need to decide how or on what to use for that hoop. So I wanted mine to feel a little bit more natural or have a little more nature kind of look and feel to it. So what I did is I trimmed some hedge branches and bound them together to shape the hoop. So if you don't want to do that, a hula hoop also works great too. Let's go over the rest of what you're going to need. You can also find a list of the products I use or suggest in the video's description, along with the referral links to the products or product page. Items you'll need for your Boho Dreamcatcher are a large hoop, a hula hoop or a made one, scissors, string for the webbing, leather cording, beads and a threader, feathers for decoration, yarn, wool or lace for the fringe, or all of them. I used a variety for mine. If desired, tightly wrap the hoop with a length of leather, ribbon, or fabric of your choice. For the Dreamcatcher's inner web, first measure the circumference of the hoop with your string. 3 to 4 times around should be plenty. The Dreamcatcher web repeats the same stitch, which is also called a hitch knot, from start to finish. To start, tie one end of the string to the hoop, then measure about 2 hands length away from it. Wrap the string around over the top of the hoop and then loop it through, pulling it snug. Continue looping and knotting around the entire circumference of the hoop.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more, so take me away.
When you get back to the top beginning knot, measure the next knot to the middle of the first one. Continue the same stitch or knot and weaving the circles smaller each time, making sure to line each knot up in the middle before looping. As you pull each stitch tight, the string from the previous round should bend towards the center of the hoop slightly, forming a diamond shape. You should see the spider web now beginning to form.
Don't wanna wait, oh my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name, oh my Indian summer.
On about the second or third round, you can add some beads if you like by simply threading the bead on the string between the knots, then continuing the stitching as usual. Continue tying these hitch knots in the same way until the opening in the center is the desired size, or until you're unable to make any more, and finish by tying a double knot in the string and pulling it tight. For the bottom fringe, cut and tie different pieces of string, yarn, lace, wool, and or leather to the bottom and close together. You can also braid the same or various pieces before tying to add a little bit of unique and different look. Then finish it up by adding decoration to the fringe of your Dreamcatcher with beads and feathers, tying them down with string if necessary. Now it's time to hang over or near your sleeping place where the morning light can hit it, and sweet dreams.
We crossed the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo.
Okay, well that is this video for this DIY project, and I hope you guys make some beautiful dreamy dream catchers. And if you've tried this already and have any good tips, let me know in the comments. And if you also have any questions, also let me know in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Until the next video, we will see you next time. Alright, bye.